Good morning. Today's topic is about influence of size openings in steel members. Structural steel members are erected, braced, and secured together to create a structural framework. In a beam and column construction, beams are girders, support floor, and roof loads, and distribute the loads to the vertical columns. In long span construction, long distances are spanned with built-up structural steel girders and trusses. In wall bearing construction, horizontal steel beams and joists are supported by other construction materials such as masonry. Pre-engineered metal buildings consist of prefabricated structural steel members including beams, columns, skids, and trusses. Erection plans provide information regarding structural steel construction. A dimensioned grid of letters and numbers provides reference points on erection plans. Various types and grades of steel are used in structural steel construction. Steel type: carbon steel, ASTM designation A36, A529, minimum yield stress is 36 and 42 form, plates, shapes, bars, sheets and strips. Plates, shapes, bars for A529. Remarks for buildings and general constructions available in high toughness grades for buildings and similar construction. High strength, that is A440. The yield stress is 42 to 50, and the form is plates, shapes, and bars, and the remarks are lightweight with superior corrosion resistance. And high strength low alloy, A441 and A572. The yield stress is 42 to 50 and 42 to 65. The form are plates, shapes, and bars. Several types, some available as shapes, plates, and bars. And the remarks are primarily or lightweight yielded buildings and bridges, lightweight, high toughness for buildings, bridges, and similar constructions. Corrosion resistant, high strength, low alloy, that is A242, A588, 42 to 50, 42 to 50, and the form is same, and the remarks are also lightweight with added durability, weathering grades available, durable in high thickness, and quenched and tempered alloy, that is A514, 9200. Several types are some available in shapes, others as plates. Strength varies with the thickness and type. A variety of steel shapes are commonly used in structural steel construction. Standard abbreviations and designations are included on erection plans to indicate structural steel members. There are many types such as these are all the types of the steel members, and the symbols are W, S, H, P, Z, T, P, P, PL, bar, TR. Designation is W14 to 24, S15, 42.9. Yeah. Shop drawings provide detailed information required for the fabrication of structural steel members. Columns are commonly constructed using M-, S-, M-, S-, or wide flange shapes. Column locations are shown on erection plans with letter and number designations. Specific information about web depth and weight in lb or feet is provided for each column. Wide flange beams are identified on erection plans with the letters W or WF. Structural steel beams are fabricated based on shop drawings. Open web steel joist span between beams and girders. The standard designation for open web steel joist include the nominal depth in inches, span classification in K, LH. Open web steel joist span between beams and girders. The standard designations for open web steel joist include the nominal depth in inches, span classification in K, LH or DLH, and chord diameter. Erection plans indicate structural steel joist spacing and installation formation. Open web steel joists are secured to beams or other supporting members using bolts or by welding. A wide variety of steels a wide variety of structural steel shapes are joined together to form a truss. Common steel truss designs include the bowstring, flat, Howe, Pratt, Caesars and Warren. Bridging and braces maintain alignment between structural steel columns, beams and other joists and increase resistance to loads. The rods are used to brace across long distances. Proper bolt and nut installation is essential for proper structural fastener performance. Erection plan details are the primary reference for bolted connections. Ribbed bolts may be used where steel members are drawn tightly together before fastening. High strength head bolts are identified with markings on the bolt head. Details provide information regarding welded connections. The standard format used for weld symbols provides information regarding location, length and type of welded joint. Steel members may be cut to length using an oxyacetylene cutting torch. Metal floor decking manufactured in a variety of designs and dimensions. It is attached to the top of open web steel joists to create a floor platform. Erection plans provide information regarding metal decking installation. Metal decking may be used as bridge deck forms. The decking remains in place after the shores and falls work are removed. The exteriors of many light gauge metal buildings are covered with pre-finished metal panels. Metal roof decking is available in a variety of designs and dimensions. Roof decks may be formed of metal decking only or covered with waterproofing materials and insulation. Thank you.